Good evening. Bhaskar Yogendra, Secretary for SEMA, South Indian Maharashtra Association. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Subhash Garu, Director Information Public Relations, Sri Vishwanath Alluri Garu, Founder and Executive Chairman IMI Mobiles, President Ramnath, Vice President Vijay Kumar sir, and other dignitaries on and off the dais. Welcome to you for 37th SEMA Formation Day. In the year 1978, on Ram Navami Day, our SEMA has formed with a few members. Today we have more than 600 members drawing from across the country and out of the country. And in this year we have added more than 30 members from different areas, including foreign countries. We are active on Facebook, we are active on WhatsApp, we have our own group. Day in, day out, we are communicating with all our members what is happening with SEMA. SEMA stands for South Indian Maharashtra Association. As you know, we left Maharashtra 300 years back, but still we speak Marathi at our home. And I know proudly I can say our members speak more than 3 languages at their family. Marathi, Kannada, and local language wherever they stay, like Telugu, apart from English and Hindi, where they are studying. So minimum 5 languages are common in our language. I am proud that we are multilinguist. And this year we have conducted many programs. SEMA has donated rolling shields and trophies to the Vivekavardhani schools, which are given to Kabaddi and Kho-Kho for boys and girls annually. So we made permanent donation for in the name of SEMA trophies to the Vivekavardhani schools to be presented in their annual Children's Day program, which they celebrate every year on 14 November. And as community service for Marathi medium schools, our president Ramnath sir has donated his own computer and printer to Davre School, which is known very popularly as Davre School, which is also known as Radhabai Palinagar School in Sultan Bazar, on behalf of SEMA. And SEMA organized Vanabhojana to its members. More than 70 members participated, to Ratnalayam at Shamirpet, and also to Vargal, where we had the blessings of Goddesses Saraswati. We had organized a get-together for SEMA members on the occasion of New Year and Sankrantri in SEMA Bhavan, where we had a chat festival. Our members participated large in number. In the month of January, SEMA represented in the Jagratik Marathi Divas, that is International Marathi Day, which first time has been celebrated in Hyderabad on 27th February 2015 by drawing all the Marathi associations at one platform in Vivekavardhani School, which is supposed to be attended by our Chief Minister, but due to some other programs he is unable to attend. But it is attended by Home Minister Nayan Narasimha Reddy and Deputy Chief Minister. And we have represented for our organization to the Chief Minister through the Home Minister and Deputy Chief Minister at that program. Gudi Padwa was celebrated in SEMA office, and our members met Kavita when she was there along with the Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajanji, and the occasion of 100-year celebrations of Vivekavardhani Girls High School. And we have represented to the MP Kavita Garu regarding our association, which is a niche in Marathi organization in Hyderabad, and she has also noted down of that. On 16th August, annual general body meeting was conducted. This time, we didn't make the annual general body meeting as a just meeting for knowing our accounts and balance sheets, but we made it as a cultural day, which has been attended by more than 200 members, and our children has participated in that in large number by performing dance, music, and art programs. On 17th September, we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi, and 1st October this year, we have organized a medical camp at Jamia Millia Osmania School in government school, where more than 500 students are studying. And we also, on behalf of Dr. Chandrasekhar of SVS Medical College, Mahbub Nagar, we donated medicines, and from our own organization, we have donated plates for midday meal, steel plates worth of 15,000 to that school. So like that, we are not just serving our own members or our own families, but we are into other organizations. These are the programs, and we are also active in website for matrimonial services, Vivaha Bandhan. When you visit our SEMA _org website, SEMA India _org website, you can see Vivaha Bandhan, that's one. And we have distributed to 7 students meritorious scholarships, more than 5,000 rupees to each student, who was getting 70% more in the marks in school education. And we have added, as I already told, we have added 20. This is the activities we had in the 2014-15, and we are going to the 2015 and 16. Thank you, sir.